Nicole George, also known as the Twister Sister. I became the Twister Sister by turning my passion and hobby of balloon twisting into a successful business, and now I like to help others do the same. And so every week I like to do a free balloon animal tutorial, and this week we are going to be focusing on Mardi Gras themed tutorials because it's coming up pretty soon, and the new chrome balloons were made for Mardi Gras. Like, I really think that they had Mardi Gras in mind when they developed these, because look at these colors. Oh my goodness. Green, purple, gold. It's like perfect. And they're so shiny and eye-catching and festive. So these are the 3 balloons we're gonna use to make our design today, which is going to be a Fleur De Lis. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm not from Louisiana, and I've never even been to Mardi Gras, maybe one day. But this is a design that will go great if you do have any Mardi Gras themed parties. This would be an awesome one to have on your menu, and yes, the clip art is available. So I'm gonna start off with a gold 260 chrome, and I've just left about a 2-inch tail here. And this is super simple. So we're just going to start by making one pretty big loop. Okay, this is going to be the top middle section of our Fleur De Lis. And I'm going to grab the knot and wrap it around that point to make my big loop, and then just pull it through to secure it. Okay, and now we're going to do another loop for the bottom. So it's going to be a little bit smaller. It's about like half that size. And just fold your balloon over and make a twist. So you're going to have 2 golden loops, one big one, one little one. And you don't need the rest of this. So you can get rid of it and tie it off. And there's actually, your nozzle is in here. So if you really want this to be good and secure, you can just tie that tail into your nozzle of your balloon. Okay, and that's not going to go anywhere. Now we're gonna grab our purple balloon, okay? And I've fully inflated this guy all the way. I tried to leave a little tip so that I could tie the ends together, but it's kind of filled in with air, but that's okay. Important thing on this one though, you wanna stretch this balloon out to make it really soft and long and flexible. And that's the cool thing about these chrome balloons. You can stretch these to be like super, super long. Like, I can't even get it all on camera how long this balloon is. But I've really stretched this, so we're gonna make a great big circle. So just pinch off a little tail at the end of your balloon and tie both ends together and make a big circle, okay? And now we're gonna twist this kind of in half. We're not gonna do it quite in half like out here. We don't want them to be that even. So we're gonna bring our hand up to maybe, like, if you were visualizing this cut in thirds, maybe where that first third would be, bring your hand up here. The other hand is on the nozzle, and you're gonna bring both hands together. I think that's good. Let's see, yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, and make a twist. So basically you wanna end up with one big loop and one little loop, and your knot and your nozzle and everything is all in here, okay? And now we're gonna take both of these loops and we're gonna twist them in half. So you could do them both at the same time. Just bring them together, kind of find the midpoint of all of that, and bring your hands together and twist. So you're kind of making like a butterfly. But if you have trouble getting your loops to be even and be the same size when you do it like that, then just kind of twist them individually and just do it on a little bit slower. Okay, so now I like to go ahead and shape these at this point. It's a little bit easier as opposed to twisting it or shaping it later. So you're just gonna take these bigger loops and you're gonna fold them down and squeeze and squish and massage them so that they're curving out away from each other. I know this looks like a butterfly right now, but just bear with me. Okay, we're gonna do that to both of those bigger loops. All right, and then these bottom loops, we wanna try to curve them out and away from each other as much as possible as well. That's why we wanted our balloon to be really long and soft and squishy so that we can give all of these loops some nice shape. Okay, and now we're gonna combine our gold with our purple. And you don't even really need to twist these. We just need to wedge our gold into our purple and just connect them at the twist where they're all twisted, and then arrange them. So I've really just wedged my gold one right in there into the middle. It's not even twisted in, it's just wedged in. And then I'm gonna arrange everything like this. So the gold one is kind of facing this way, and then the purple ones are turned on their sides. And then you can also squeeze your gold one at the top to make a little bit more shapely. Give it like a pointier top, okay? And then on this bottom one here, you could also do the same thing for the bottom gold, have it facing out. That's kind of up to you, but I think whatever you think looks best. Kind of looks good like that as well. So that is basically the shape of it, but we're going to really finish this off and make this a nice piece that you could give somebody at an event or a festival or something. We're also going to add in that green to finish off the Mardi Gras colors. So I've got a fully inflated green chrome 260, fully inflated. Let out some air before you tie this off so it's a little bit soft. And we're gonna start off with the nozzle. I'm just gonna do a small round bubble, bring that knot down, fold it around that twist to make a pinch twist, okay? We're going to decide which side of this is your front and which side is the back. Put your pinch twist on the back and just kind of hold it there. You're gonna wrap your green balloon around the middle, making like a waistband for this thing. Say we're just wrapping it all the way around the middle and bringing it back into that pinch twist in the back. Now if you need to fix your loops after you do that, then you can go ahead and fix that. But you guys see how cool this looks, especially with the chrome balloons. It's just like, oh my goodness. Now we're gonna finish this off to make this like a nice stick or wand that people can carry. So you're gonna pull out your green 260. We're going to fold it back up into the top. So you want it to be even with the top of the pinch twist there. And slide your hands out to the end and find the middle point. And we're gonna twist it right there in the middle. Okay? And then we're gonna take these and we're going to spiral them, okay? So spiral them all the way back up into that pinch twist. So it's in the back. So once we get back up to the top, we're gonna twist off a little bubble at the end of our balloon, and we're just gonna wrap that around our pinch twist. And in the back here, you just wanna arrange it so your bubbles are vertical on top of each other, and that will help hold the stick or the wand part straight down from your Fleur De Lis. Fleur De Lis. Somebody tell me how to say that. I know it's hard to type out pronunciations, but I think I'm saying it right. I can't imagine how else you would say it. But so that is it. That's the whole design. It's a 3 balloon line work Fleur De Lis design. Perfect again for Mardi Gras, and really any sort of New Orleans Southern themed events or festivals that you might have. This design is used in a lot of things. French themed stuff, this would be a good one also. And special bonus, you don't need to draw anything on this, so that makes it even faster, because as soon as you're done twisting, you can hand it off to your customer and be done. So what do you guys think of this? Let me know in the comments if you guys like it. What do you think? Has anybody been to Mardi Gras before? Are you from Louisiana or New Orleans? Let me know in the comments. And also stay tuned, probably later this week, I'm going to have a full Mardi Gras themed party package for balloon twisters, where it's going to have a print ready line work menu, all themed for Mardi Gras, with clip art, along with video tutorials on how to make everything on the menu. So that's a new package that I'll be coming out with. I'm hoping to get it done this week, but stay tuned to my channel here. I'll put an update out when it is ready to go. My assistant here wants me to show you another one. She didn't make this, but it's a practice one. So there we have 2. Isn't that special? Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this Tutorial Tuesday. I hope you like this design and get some use out of it this year and next year and every year for Mardi Gras events. Let your customers know that you can do Mardi Gras themed stuff and get some more bookings and gigs by letting them know that you are a specialty artist and you can do themed events. And of course, don't forget to go pick up your balloon animal t-shirts at thetwistersister.com. Links in the description if you need some clothing to wear to the fun events that you're gonna do. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope to see you back here again next Tuesday for another Tutorial Tuesday. Bye!